Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am back with the September 2019 edition of the Brown Sugar box. So let's dive right into this month's box. I am a little late unboxing, but I'm excited all the same. So this month's edition is the Melanin Love edition. There is a $111 retail value for this month's box. I'm excited to dive right in. The first item here is the Quip Soap Sugar Scrub. It has a retail value of $15, and there is a code for a free gift. It comes in 4 different scents. The next item is not cooperating with me. All right, so the first is a Izzy and Liv watch, and I love the face of this watch. The band is a blush tone or pink, so I'll have an opportunity to wear it in the month of October for breast cancer awareness, so that works. The next item is a necklace, and it says That Melanin, and that has a retail value of $15, and the watch has a retail value of $12. The next item, I always say the shirt for last. The next item is the Golden Glow Facial Exfoliant, and it has a retail value of $20. So taking your skincare to the next level. It's rechargeable and waterproof, so you can use that in the shower. Puts me in the mind of, I think it's called Freo or Frio. They have a similar facial device. The next item is a Melanin Magic Jade Beauty Roller, which has a $13 value. And this really will help with like depuffing the skin and lymphatic drainage. It helps with puffiness and under eye circles. It stimulates muscle tone, and it also helps your facial products to absorb. So using this on your face will just kind of help take whatever you're doing from a skincare standpoint to the next level. The smaller side is used for like contouring over your eyes, under your eyes, your chin, and then the larger piece is more for your cheeks, your neck, your forehead, and I would even say in your décolleté area. The next item are Black Queens postcards. It's a set of 4, and those are gorgeous. I will likely end up putting those in frames and hanging them in my home office. The next item is a Golden Glow facial mask, and this has a retail value of $3. If I can get it out of here. All right. Cooperate. Come out. Come out. Okay. So this is the face mask, and you can see all the good serums and all of the nutrients for your skin. They're bubbling around. So this is supposed to moisturize, hydrate, lift, firm, activate cellular regeneration, balance your skin's pH, boost collagen production, smooth texture, and reduces inflammation. So it's just a one-time use. And again, it is a $3 value. You're supposed to leave the mask on for 20 minutes. If you followed my channel in any of my Sephora or empties, you know that I am a lover of all things sheet mask related. So I cannot wait for a spa night, Saturday morning, Sunday at home to give this a try. And then the last item is the shirt for this month, and it is a $28 value. And it says, love, support, respect Black women. So that is the shirt for this month. Love, support, respect Black women. And it is a gorgeous chocolate brown with gold metallic lettering. So it will be gorgeous with several things that I have in my closet. So that's it for this month's brown sugar box. Thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, take care.